Hi everyone, this is Aditi Agarwal. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about moisturizers. Now, why moisturizers? Because monsoons is a very difficult time for anyone who has an oily skin, who has a combination skin, who has a textured skin, or any type of textural irregularities, or who has a heated or hot potency body, heated skin, hot flushes, or sensitized skin. Alright, so it's very difficult for all these people to find a moisturizer that actually works in the monsoons. Alright, rest of the seasons a normal moisturizer also works, but for monsoons we need a hydrating moisturizer. And for companies today, hydrating moisturizer means a moisturizer that is packed or loaded or flooded with the humectants and hyaluronic acid. So this is what makes I suppose this is one of the reasons that it makes the moisturizer so underperform, because companies are misinformed about their ingredients. Now, hydrating moisturizer does not always mean humectants. You have to understand that every skin's needs are different. And why I hate hyaluronic acid, not actually hate, there are some clauses about hyaluronic acid. For that, please find this video linked over here. I have talked a lot about hyaluronic acid and the problems I have with hyaluronic acid. Alright, so I do not hate hyaluronic acid, but there are some problems that I have with hyaluronic acid. Alright, and hyaluronic acid being marketed and being sold as the only hydrating ingredient. So any hydrating product you see today, you will be very convinced, you have to be very assured that when you go to read the description of the product, you will find hyaluronic acid being portrayed as the main ingredient. Alright, so let's keep this talk apart. So I have this quarantine, I have tried 5 different moisturizers for my skin type. I had researched a lot about them. I had read the reviews, I had read the description, I had seen the brand philosophy. After I was convinced, then I tried them. Now we will see which of those worked for me, which of these didn't work for me. Alright, so I'm keeping this video very short. I'll just be touching the main points, what works and what does not work. If you want an in-depth review, a more detailed information about any or all of these products, you can let me know, and then we can in a later video talk any or all of these products. Right, so let's get started. My product number 1 is this fine line moisturizer from Shankara Naturals. It says for pitta type skin. If you can see, I'll just put the image here. It says for pitta skin. Now I had such high hopes from this brand and from this product. Why? Because when you say pitta type skin, it means you are very well aware. I was assured, I was convinced that the brand is very well aware of what they're producing, what the ingredients they're using, their formulation, their customers' skin types and skin needs. I was like, a pitta type moisturizer means it's gonna be cooling. First of all, it's gonna be very lightweight and refreshing. Thirdly, it's not gonna be oily or clogging. It was everything opposite. It warmed up my skin, it felt heavy on my skin, it clogged my pores, it was oily, and it was everything I had not asked for. So why I hate this product is because I don't usually hate products, but it is very opposite to what it says it does. It does nothing what it claims, nothing. Okay, so the company says that this moisturizes without leaving an oily film on your skin. It does not make your skin oily, it just lightly hydrates your skin, and it does not make your skin feel heavy and everything, but it does everything that the company says it does not do. It heats up my skin feels heavy, my pores feel clogged, it feels like a heavy layer on my skin. It is not even close to what it claims, right? This moisturizer is more of a winter moisturizer. It's not even summers, it's not even autumn or spring. It has that oily, very uncomfortable oily feeling. I hate that feeling. It's nowhere close to hydrating, or it's nowhere close to being an oily skin friendly moisturizer. I for the sake of trying, I applied it for 3 days and I was done. I couldn't bear the feel of this moisturizer on my face. I couldn't stand it. I couldn't reach out for this one on the 4th day. And this one disappointed me so badly. I have kept it for the winters now. I'll try it again in winters. The ingredients are very impressive. The claims were very impressive because none of the claims stand true. And the brand's philosophy was decent, good. Are you confused? I do not like this product. This product is a disaster for me. I don't usually hate products. I do not call them disasters, but when they're so opposite of what they're supposed to be, then I call them disaster. So it's nothing I imagined, and this is very costly. This cost me 2600 rupees. Very disappointing product. Definitely not for summers or monsoons. So next up I have here is this moisturizer. It says hydrating aqua gel cream from Akoj. I do not know if it's pronounced that way. I pronounce it as Akoj. Correct me if I'm wrong. And just like other hydrating moisturizers, hyaluronic acid is the main ingredient here, is one of the main ingredients here, and in the description they have praised the hyaluronic acid for its hydrating properties. So this moisturizer is supposed to be very hydrating, and actually it does what it says. It hydrates. It's not a great moisturizer, it's not bad, it's okay, it's good. Right? I do not find myself reaching out for it very often. It's not a very comfortable feeling on the skin. It does not feel very refreshing. Alright, you apply it, and apply it in a small quantity. Do not go overboard with the quantity. If you go overboard with the quantity here, it can make your skin tacky, heavy, oily, and everything that a bad moisturizer does. So be very mindful of the quantity here. Now this moisturizer, I have nothing to say about this, because it's just a good moisturizer. It's just good. It's not great, it's nothing impressive. This one goes really well underneath your sunscreens. If you have a slightly oilier sunscreen, this one can work very well underneath it. You have to take very small amount. This one is so lightweight, and this one is very gel, watery texture, so you are tempted to use more, but you have to use a very small amount. It's very spreadable. It does not clog your pores, although it did seem that it gets oily after some time. Not very quickly, but after like 1 or 1.5 or 2 hours, it starts getting oily. And I don't know, there's a slight tacky feeling. I do not find it very comfortable. It's hydrating, it's light, it does not grease your face, it does not make your face heavy, but there's something uncomfortable about this. Right? So decent product. Next up I have is the Tatcha water cream, the cult favorite, the overpriced, the overhyped. This is the Tatcha the water cream. If you can see, I got it for 950 rupees for 10 ml, and 950 का भी मुझे इसलिए मिला क्योंकि जिनसे मैंने ख़रीदा था उनको सेफोरा पॉइंट्स में ये मिला था फ्री, तो जो उसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस है वो एक्चुअली ज़्यादा है. सो 950 for 10 ml इज़ अ वेरी terrible price, obviously, but I decided to invest in this product because I had heard so many good reviews about this. This product is a cult favorite. I do not even need to mention anything about it. This one is so raved by beauty bloggers, by everyone, and even the company claims that this is some magical moisturizer. It just works on your pores. It has rice extract, and fermented rice extract is so good for your skin. I was very tempted to buy this product, and when it said the water cream, there was no other product like it when it was there that said the water cream. The cream actually has a good texture, it has a good consistency, it spreads very well, and it's like water. It's very lightweight. You put it on your skin and you give it 2 or 3 swipes and it's gone. But it felt heavy on my skin. To be very honest, it felt heavy on my skin. I do not know why. It also accentuated my texture. Anything that accentuates texture is immediately a no for me. Decent, just like this Akoj one. It was very similar in performance to the Akoj moisturizer. Nothing fancy, nothing great. It's not worth the price. I mean, if it was for 300 or 400 rupees, I'd be like, okay, fine, I will keep it. But 950, 10 ml, average performing, I do not see any worth in this product. It's a very basic, very normal moisturizer, and it can make your skin oily if you exceed the quantity more than what works for your face. And again, a very decent, very normal product. Nothing fancy about it, nothing fancy about the hype around it. It's a very okay product, and definitely not for the monsoons, because this one also is not a very comfortable feeling. It does feel heavy on my skin. I do not know about others, it does feel heavy for me. My skin type is not dry, it's not oily. My skin is like, if I do not moisturize enough, my skin is very dry. If I moisturize a little more than what's required, a little more than the threshold, it's oily. Alright, so I have to maintain the perfect balance. It has to be very perfectly balanced for me, for my skin to behave properly. Alright, my pores just take a second to clog up. इतना सा मॉइस्चराइजर ज़्यादा हुआ and my pores are clogged and my skin is heavy. Moisturizer कम हुआ, my skin is stretchy, dry, itchy. So I have to find the perfect balance. It might work for people with not so complicated skin types, but not for me. Now the next two are the ones that worked. So in this video we do have two products that actually worked. The product is the Barrier Repair Lotion by Skincraft. You must be surprised because not many people are impressed by Skincraft, and Skincraft did not do too well. So this one was an accidental discovery. Why I say that? Because I bought this one last year when Skincraft was all the rage. Alright, it was trending and people were trying it out and everything. I also bought a kit. It did not suit me, it did not work for me. We will have a separate video dedicated to Skincraft, why it did not work and how did the products fare for me. But at that time the products did not work for me. The products are not bad, they are not bad, but okay, we'll talk about it later why it did not work. I think the brand is confused about their products, about the regimes that they recommend, and the regimes were incomplete. Alright, so let's keep that aside. This one is the Barrier Repair Lotion. Now what happened was I discovered this. This was lying at the back of my vanity somewhere. ऐसी गिरा पड़ा था. So a few weeks back when I was cleaning up my vanity, I came across this one and I was like, बैरियर रिपेयर लोशन. अब उस टाइम पे जब मैंने ख़रीदा था तब मुझे इतना बैरियर रिपेयर की समझ नहीं थी, मुझे इंग्रेडिएंट्स कितनी समझ नहीं थी, एंड टू मी इट वाज जस्ट अ बेसिक मॉइस्चराइज़र. अभी आई एम टू मच इनटू बैरियर रिपेयर. ऑलमोस्ट 5-7 महीनों से आई एम वेरी मच इनटू बैरियर रिपेयर. I am working on my skin barrier. I love ceramides. I love fatty acids and cholesterols because they are the building blocks of your skin. And when I read Barrier Repair Lotion, I was actually looking for a ceramide based moisturizer from a long time. मुझे almost 5-6 महीने हो गए हैं मैं एक अच्छा ceramide moisturizer ढूंढ रही हूँ. But India में sadly we not have any brands that offer ceramide moisturizers. Alright, एक Earthrism के पास है पर उसमें भी hyaluronic acid है as the main ingredient, तो I did not want to buy that product, although I might try it in future, but abhi ke liye I did not want it. Now when I saw this one, I read the ingredients. It has 3 types of ceramides. Mostly ceramide products have just ceramide NP. This one has ceramide EOP, ceramide AP. I mostly prefer my ceramide moisturizers any time of the day. Okay, so I tried this one out. This one is so lightweight. This one just, you apply it and it just disappears. It disappears in the sense that you do not feel anything on your skin after applying this, but you do feel your skin moisturized. It works, but you cannot see. You cannot feel it, you cannot see it. It's working out there. You cannot feel the moisturizer, you can feel the effect for sure. So this is the only moisturizer, the only product that mattifies and moisturizes your skin. It does not mattify, I mean it does not do anything, it does not change the texture of your skin or the feel of your skin. If your skin is dewy, it's gonna keep it dewy. If it's matte before applying this, it's gonna keep it matte. So it's gonna keep it that way. It's not gonna touch your skin's moisture levels or anything, the apparent moisture levels I mean. And I was very impressed with this product. In fact, in monsoons, this is all I want, that a product should be there, it should work, but I should not feel it. It should not be visible, it should not make my skin heavy, clog pores or sit on my skin. And this one did none of these. It did not clog my pores, it did not make my skin heavy, it did not sit on my skin, it was not visible, it did not leave an oily film. It just came and got absorbed. That's it. Alright, so this is a very beautiful moisturizer. I mostly use this one at night because for day I have another moisturizer that I'm gonna be talking about in a while. And this is a ceramide packed moisturizer, so I mostly use it as a treatment in the night. Right, you can comfortably use it during the day. I have used it during the day and it works just as great. Very impressed with the product, very impressed. I was about to throw it away. My mom was like, you're not using it since 1 year, just throw it away. I was like, no, keep it. I usually like to give my products a chance, and products रखने का ये फायदा होता है कि कभी ना कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि चलो यार इसको try करके देखते हैं, and they just work for some other purpose, ठीक है, not for the original purpose that you had bought them for, but they start working sometime in your life इन अ डिफरेंट वे. ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम पे मेरी स्किन केयर की समझ भी अलग थी, मेरी स्किन अलग थी, मेरी हैबिट्स अलग थी, माई लाइफ स्टाइल वॉज डिफरेंट. सो प्रोडक्ट्स का वर्क करना ना करना उन चीज़ों पे भी डिपेंड करता है, राइट. सो दिस वन इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. And now comes my love, my favorite moisturizer, and this is from a brand that you might not have heard of. It's called Kalya Shastra. I do not know why is not anyone talking about this brand. This is such a great, such a beautiful brand. I cannot stop raving about it. I tried 3 products from this brand and all 3 products did what they claimed. They worked. They were bomb products. Okay, so here's my love, the Kalya Shastra Gel Vanilla, the water cream. I was very skeptical about the product because I had very bad experience with all these the first 3 moisturizers, and I was convinced that there's no moisturizer that works for this skin type for the season. But I was going through their website. I was very impressed with the philosophy, of the brand, with the way they work, the way they see their ingredients, their awareness about their ingredients, their knowledge, the passion about skincare and Ayurveda. They are into Ayurvedic skincare, and I luckily came across this one. This one is trending on Insta. You must have heard about this one and read about this one, but on YouTube I do not see many people or anyone talk about this one. This is a bomb product, man. This is a dream come true. It's like हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था. It's everything I had imagined. It does everything that a hydrating moisturizer is supposed to do, and it does not have hyaluronic acid. Yes, it does not have hyaluronic acid. So companies, please be informed that any hydrating product, a product is not hydrating only when it contains loads and loads of hyaluronic acid. आजकल कंपनियों को ना hyaluronic acid के पीछे पड़ गए हैं. कंपनियों को लगता है कि हाइड्रेशन मतलब hyaluronic acid, भर दो humectants उसमें. It is everything but hyaluronic acid. I don't have the complete list of ingredients. I reached out to the brand on Instagram. The brand is not very responsive. बहुत दिनों में reply देते हैं, कितनी बार reply नहीं भी देते हैं. So I am unable to get the full list of ingredients क्योंकि उन्होंने अपनी website पे full list of ingredients mention नहीं करी है. So as soon as I get a reply about this, I'll update you. But I'm very sure it does not have hyaluronic acid. If it does, I'll be a little disappointed. But ठीक है, अभी के लिए हम लोग यही मान रहे हैं कि इसमें hyaluronic acid नहीं है, because they are all Ayurvedic preparations and Ayurvedic formulations में I don't think hyaluronic acid was in existence back then. Not in existence, I mean, I do not think hyaluronic acid was a thing back then in the Ayurvedic times. So this one makes your skin dewy without making it oily. The dewiness without oiliness, it's magic. It makes your skin very dewy. It makes your pores look less visible. It does not clog your pores. It does not make your skin heavy, oily. It does not heat up your skin. It cools and refreshes your skin, and it feels so comfortable on the skin. First time I applied it and I forgot. You apply it and you forget. It disappears. It does its work, and it's awesome. I cannot stop raving about this product. I cannot stop talking about this product. I thought a moisturizer for monsoon does not exist, and just when I thought the perfect moisturizer does not exist, this one came into my life. This one was my last trial. मतलब मैंने सोच लिया था कि यार बस ये वाला ट्राई करूँगी, वर्क करता है ठीक है, अदरवाइज लेट इट बी. हम लोग ऐसे ही मानसून्स निकाल लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स को मिक्स एंड मैच करके. I was like, छोड़ो, we are not gonna spend more money on these moisturizers now. I've been trying so many moisturizers. I'd wasted so much of money, and plus all the disappointment that comes along. But this one was my best bet. This one is very affordable. It's 750 rupees. It's 735 for 25 grams. I know the quantity is less, but it works. It works so beautifully. It deserves. ये थोड़ा महंगा भी है तो भी मैं इसको खरीदती दोबारा. So I'm gonna repurchase this product. This product is magic. I'm not easily impressed by products. I'm very critical about products. Nothing suits me, and calling a product magic is so not me, because I think that's exaggeration and no product can do that for you. But this one is magic. This one works so beautifully. This one works so beautifully. I cannot even explain. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है इसकी तारीफ में कुछ छोड़ तो नहीं दिया मैंने. ऑयली नहीं करता है, पोर्स नहीं क्लॉग करता है, रिफ्रेशिंग है, कूलिंग है. और डूई बनाता है स्किन को, पूरा दिन हाइड्रेटेड रखता है. यू अप्लाई इट वंस एंड इट कीप्स योर स्किन मॉइस्चराइज्ड एंड हाइड्रेटेड द एंटायर डे. यू डू नॉट नीड टू रीअप्लाई इट इवन इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन एन एयर कंडीशनर रूम. I think these products now, these work on the core level, these work on the cause. I feel that way. That's why Ayurvedic products, if they work, they are the best. They do not work superficially for giving you that cosmetic elegance every time. No, these work on the cause. These just work. So I'm super impressed. I'm super impressed with this product. I cannot stop talking about this. The video will just keep on getting longer. Try this one. I'm going to try out the other variant as well. It has two variants, gel vanilla and gel kesar. I'm a fan of vanilla. It smells good. It has a decent smell. It smells more of Boroplus. मुझे इसको स्मेल करके बचपन में पोस्टर कलर्स आते थे ना हमारे, मुझे उसकी याद आती है. थोड़ी इस टाइप की स्मेल है. आई डोंट माइंड द स्मेल, मुझे अच्छी लगती है. दूसरा मैं I'm gonna try the other variant, the gel केसर वन. ऑलराइट, फिर उसके बाद मुझे जो भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा फिर I'm gonna continue with that one. और ये हर मौसम में चलेगा आपका, हर मौसम में, नॉट जस्ट इन द मानसून्स. गर्मी हो, सर्दी हो, इट विल जस्ट वर्क. अच्छा हाँ, आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन द मॉइस्चराइजर नंबर 4 and 5, द स्किन क्राफ्ट वन एंड दिस वन. फॉर ड्राई स्किन पीपल इट माइट नॉट बी इनफ. फॉर वेरी ड्राई स्किन पीपल, जिनकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई है, सो यू कैन फॉलो दैम अप विद हाइड्रेटिंग टोनर. एंड हाइड्रेटिंग टोनर से आई डू नॉट मीन hyaluronic acid based toners. I think I left it in the other room. I'll insert a picture. It is the Missha Artemisia. It is the Missha Time Revolution Artemisia Noa Essence. It's so beautiful. It's 100% Artemisia Noa Essence. It works like a toner. It has a toner consistency. It does not have any other fillers or editors or any extra ingredients for hydration. It does not have hyaluronic acid or humectants. It's pure Artemisia Noa extract and it's so hydrating. It's so beautiful and it perfectly complements this moisturizer. How I use this moisturizer, I keep my skincare routine very simple during the monsoons. I just apply my roots and herbs केसर, क्या था नाम उसका, केसर टोनर, कश्मीरी केसर टोनर. ठीक है, आई apply that one and I follow up with this one and I'm good to go for the entire day. And my skin just feels so comfortable. And the days I'm feeling a little dry, I include that Artemisia essence I just talked about. Otherwise, both of these, the roots and herbs, Kashmiri Kesar toner and this alone are enough for me. I have still not found a good sunscreen that actually works, and especially in the summers and the monsoon season. So अभी तो मैं घर में हूँ, तो I'm not using a sunscreen. Without sunscreen it's working great. मैंने इसको sunscreen के साथ यूज़ करके देखा नहीं है अभी तक, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई अच्छा सनस्क्रीन नहीं है. ठीक है, तो सनस्क्रीन इसको भी ऑयली कर देगा, मुझे लगेगा प्रोडक्ट ख़राब है. सो until unless I find a good sunscreen, I'm not going to try this product with a sunscreen. But you have to be very careful about the quantity as well. ज़्यादा लगाओगे it's gonna make your skin a little oily. लेकिन अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लोगे तो ठीक है. सो बी माइंडफुल ऑफ द क्वांटिटी. बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड इट कैन बी वेरी वेल एंड इट पेयर्स वेरी वेल with your foundation. It works as a great primer. Your skin's gonna stay dewy all day, and it's gonna work great underneath your sunscreens as well. If you have got a good sunscreen, I do not have a good sunscreen. If you have a good sunscreen, it's gonna pair well with the sunscreen as well. It's that good a moisturizer. I cannot stop talking about this. Okay, bye. Video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. I cannot stop raving about this product. If anyone happens to use it, please let me know what are your views on this. Am I the only one who's crazy about this moisturizer, or are people actually loving it? Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want an in-depth information, in-depth review of any of these products except this one, क्योंकि इसके बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत बात कर लिया है. So किसी के बारे में आपको डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन, डिटेल रिव्यू चाहिए तो drop a comment and we'll talk about it, right? Alright, so I'm keeping this video very short